Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. So today I'm going to do something else, and yeah, it's an unboxing video. I haven't done it before, so if I do any mistake, please forgive me. And also don't go for the background, my house is still under construction. So moving forward, here is the box that I'll be unboxing. I got it from Rhinox today, and yeah, these are a pair of gloves and the model name is Rhinox Air GT. Obviously CE certified and fully leather gloves, which was my primary reason to go for it. And since winter has already arrived, we need a good pair of gloves, right? And also for safety. So these gloves are not exactly winter gloves but fully leather, and these are ventilated gloves, so highway and summer gloves kind of, but kind of good gloves. And I have a hack or jugaad for that to ride these gloves or use these in extreme winter condition, because we Indians are good at jugaad, right? So the hack is that I will buy a cheap skin tight glove, like cotton glove, that which I will wear first, and then I will wear this if I have ride in extreme winter conditions. So moving forward to the unboxing, but before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. With that said, let's now get started. So let's now start with the unboxing, but before that I want to say that this is the retail unit and I directly got it from Rhinox online store. You can purchase it from Amazon, and if it's available I will put the link in description below. You can go check it out if you want this pair of gloves. And yeah, it costed me around 2550. Hope you can see it here. So yeah, it's directly from Rhinox. So without any further delay, let's just now unbox it. And here is my unboxing knife, obviously. So let's start to unbox. So lots of Rhinox taping is actually done, and let me just cut it. So yeah, lots of things are there, and let's just keep all these things aside. And there are some more paperwork actually. So before opening or looking at the actual gloves, let's look what the paperwork actually says. Obviously this is the invoice, and yeah, 2550 again written here. So this is the retail price, and these gloves are actually like one of the cheapest Rhinox gloves that you can buy today. So let me just get these gloves out of the zipper pack. I actually like the fact that Rhinox has offered these gloves with this zipper pack, so that you can store the gloves when not in use. So here are the actual gloves. In terms of in-hand feeling, it feels really very light. Obviously these are around 130-140 grams and made of fully leather, so perforated leathers, as you can see here. There are also different sort of fabric type materials is used. And yeah, I went or bought this gray and orange color combination. Other colors are also available, like gray and red, gray and neon green or yellow, something like that, and also fully black with some white like the treatment is there. So I obviously went for the small size, as you can see here, and because that what I think will fit my hands snugly. And obviously before buying this, check out the scale and measure your hands and go for the perfect size that you think it will fit you. Like after looking through the scale that is provided in the Rhinox online store, also if you are going for like to buy from the Amazon. And these gloves are also available like in offline stores, so make sure you check the actual size before buying this. And yeah, obviously moving forward, these gloves are CE certified and fully leather gloves, like mostly leather, 70 to 80% is leather, and that's the primary reason that I bought this, because these are CE certified and I wanted leather gloves. So first of all, removing the gloves from here. So I also like the fact that like small two buttons are there, so that you can keep both the gloves together like this, so that they remain in pair and you don't lose a single one of them. And yeah, before like putting it on my hand, I want to talk about its specification, as these are CE certified gloves. So this is the user guide here, and I hope the specification will be given. Obviously the scale is there, which will help you guide to buy the exact size. And yeah, this particular glove, the Rhinox Air GT is available from small size to double XL size. Hope you can see it in here. So moving forward, obviously as CE certified gloves, so the impact resistance is around 9 kilonewtons, abrasion resistance or slide time is around 4 seconds. So palm protection is there, as you can see here, palm protection, but this is actually soft type material. The knuckle guard here is actually like hard plastic, and it's under the leather, so it looks really very premium. I'm actually loving it how this actually looks in hand. I don't know how the camera is working, but in hand it's looking really very nice. Then moving forward to other thing, the cut resistance on the palm is around 1.2 newton, and the tear strength on the palm is around 25 newton, and the backhand is around 18 newton, and the seam strength or the main seam is around 6 newton per mm. These are really very nice figures. So now keeping this aside and moving forward, talking about the gloves, first of all, black color leather is there, then this orange color here is actually fabric, then again gray color leather is there, and obviously knuckle guard is there. There's some more material here around the fingers, and obviously reflective type material is also there, and the fingers also get protection, like soft protection, the foam like protection is there. Obviously these are summer gloves and not winter gloves, and yeah, so ventilation is there, so fabric is there around here, and these are neither waterproof, water kind of resistant is there, but not actually waterproof. So don't try to like wash them, like totally try to put them in water. These will the water will actually ruin them. Yeah, obviously you can use some damp cloth to wipe it off for cleaning it. So let me just remove in and take the right hand glove first and try it and show it to you how it feels. So this one here is the right hand glove, and obviously velcro is there in the wrist strap here, so that you can snugly fit them to your hand. And yeah, Rhinox again branding is done in the velcro or the wrist strap here. So some more specification and CE certification is written here. So these are one of the cheapest Rhinox gloves that you will find CE certified. And yeah, obviously there are also other CE certified gloves that you will find in like market. There is Royal Enfield, but I don't ride a Royal Enfield, so if I buy a Royal Enfield glove, it doesn't seem right. So I went for these Rhinox gloves, and obviously in terms of looks, I'm really loving it, and how it feels in my hand, it fits so snugly. I'm really loving how it fits. The stitching is also done really very nicely, as you can see. And yeah, the fingertip here gets touch sensitive material. Not everything in this glove are really very good, because there is only touch sensitive material in the fingertip here. I wish there was touch sensitive material in the thumb area here, then it would have been great, but it's not there. Obviously the thumb also gets protection here, like soft touch foam type protection is there, and obviously it really feels really very like feels nice in my hand after wearing this. And yeah, the back hand here also gets some fabric type material, so that it will help like in having good grip when I hold the handlebar. And yeah, obviously shown with the palm protection here, black color thing is there or leather is there, and under that there is some more soft like foam type material. And yeah, the surround here gets some gray type material, and other portion under the palm is black. Really very lovely glove. I am like loving it right now, and I think I made good investment by investing on the Rhinox Air GT gloves. So thank you, Rhinox. Obviously the wrist strap here like seems a little bit on the shorter side, but let me check out the other side glove. The interior of the glove is really very nice. It doesn't feel like you will feel like lot of wind in your hand. Obviously these are highway riding gloves, so it will be really very great. And yeah, this is not a long-term review video, this is just an unboxing. A long-term review video will be coming soon, like after I do 1,000 kilometers in these gloves. I'll give you a long-term review of the gloves. So talking about the left hand side glove, again it really fits very snugly to my hand. And yeah, obviously little bit of gaps are there in the fingertips here, and I actually like this setup while wearing a glove, because when I hold the handlebar and for little bit of gaps would be there, I believe so, for the finger movement and all those sorts of things. Obviously there is no wiper type situation, so that you can wipe the helmet visor. And obviously these are not rain gloves or waterproof gloves, so yeah, water resistance is there but not waterproof exactly. And yeah, ventilation is there around in the finger section here. So once I ride it, a motovlogging video will be coming soon, like talking about these gloves mostly. So yeah, everything in hand, it's really feeling very good. I think I made a really very good investment. And obviously if you are thinking to go for these gloves, I can recommend you to, like, straightly you can go for it without thinking much, because it looks really very premium. Obviously leather gloves is certified, and that too under 2600 rupees. What more can you like expect it? And yeah, obviously the velcro strip, as I already told you, is a little bit shorter. And no, these are not winter gloves, so if you are thinking to go for Ladakh trip and all those sort of things, I don't think these will give you very good protection out in the snow. So I can give you one hack or jugaad. So the jugaad is that if you like can afford only the ARGT kind of glove, like in this price segment, then obviously if you can go for the fully winter gloves, buy those. But if you want genuine leather glove, the ARGT glove, and want to go do a ride for like Ladakh or Spiti type of thing, then buy a skin tight cotton glove, wear it first, then wear these gloves. I hope that will help protect you in out in the winter, because these gloves are really very nice and premium, obviously in terms of looks and feeling. Obviously CE certified, everything is, most of the things are actually great in the gloves. And yeah, so I think I have told you everything about the Rhinox ARGT glove that you would like to know, like with unboxing and all those sorts of things. And yeah, if you want to buy these gloves, I can recommend you to go for like under 2500 rupees. It looks really very premium and also feels really very good in hand. And yeah, the product link will be obviously given in the description below. You can also buy them offline. These are available in some stores out in some places, but not here at Jorhat. If you are from Jorhat, so it is not available here at Jorhat. And yeah, that's everything that I had to show about the Rhinox ARGT gloves. So if you are watching the video till now, make sure you like the video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also press that bell notification icon, so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. With that said, that's it for today. Bye.